Today I'll walk you through how to add a border in Google Docs even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your documents with borders so you can make your content stand out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine. This will take you to the Google Docs homepage where you can create or open a document. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, go ahead and click on the document you want to edit or create a new one. This is where you'll be adding your border. Now, let's highlight the section of the document where you want to add the border. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text. This will ensure that the border surrounds the correct area. Next, look for the menu at the top of the page and click on Insert. This is where you'll find various options to enhance your document. If you can't find it right away, just take a moment to look around. It's usually located near the top left of your screen. After clicking on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Table. This option allows you to create a border around your selected text. You'll see a grid appear. You can choose the dimensions of the table based on how many borders you want to add. Once you've selected the grid size, a table will be inserted into your document. You can adjust the size of the table by clicking and dragging the edges. This is similar to framing a picture. You want to make sure it fits just right. Finally, if you want to customize the border style, right-click on the table and select Table Properties. Here, you can change the border color, width, and style to suit your preferences. This gives you the flexibility to make your document truly yours. And there you have it. You've successfully added a border in Google Docs. Remember, adding a border can help emphasize important sections of your document, making it visually appealing and easier to read. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.